Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Right now, I am in Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. So I'm gonna take a tour of Holland Village. A very, very nice community. So I'm gonna take a right turn, will take us to Holland Village in St. Elizabeth. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So in Holland Bamboo you can get your fresh coconut and also your peanut and your best curry goat. But just take a tour of the Holland Village. So welcome to Holland in St. Elizabeth. Having a beautiful day today, my people. Nice weather today. So the closest town for shopping in Holland Bamboo, you would choose to go to either Santa Cruz or Black River. That's where you go do your shopping. It all depends on what you want. Beautiful sky today. You can see a lot of persons around here farm sweet potatoes. I know a lot of persons miss their community because a lot of persons abroad cannot get to travel right now because of the pandemic. So hope everyone's staying safe. So it's nothing like the country life. Yeah man, see your breadfruit tree, your ackee tree, your pear tree, coconut tree, every tree you can think about in the country. On your right, you have the Vern Bar and Grocery Shop. So if you need a little knickknacks, you can stop right there and get your grocery. So St. Elizabeth is a very big parish. So we're having a bit of bumpy ride right now, so enjoy it. Yes, my people don't know that Jamaica sweet, nice, can done. Anywhere you're going to Jamaica, it's a sweet place, very nice place, you know. Jamaica, land of beauty. Yeah man, so big up the city links crew. Big up on yourself, you know. So you gotta be careful for all those bike riders. Have to be very careful. So we're about couple seconds away from the main road. So I'm gonna make a left turn which take us back to the Holland Bamboo, and also the left turn will take you all back to the Lacovia section. If you make a right turn, that will take you to Middle Quarters. So thank you all for watching my channel. Hope you enjoy the tour. So if you don't subscribe to my channel yet, you can kindly do so. Hit the notification bell for more videos, so when I upload a video you will get the latest update of my new videos. It's all about Jamaican vibes, or sweet Jamaica. Nice can down. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. Peace and out. Have a blessed life. May God be with you all.